Granny, you might not want it. Kenny.
You want more?
Yeah. Another video of you. Chris gonna tear that white bread up, okay?
Maybe. That's what
Okay. Y'all are going. Y'all gonna
Patrick involved? That's the name?
No. You know what? I don't know. Maybe I need to ask him on Wednesday.
She said, but I'm about to. What are you doing? I said like this. You bless the food.
Maybe. If they come.
I got one. It's cold.
Oh,
Brittany. I'm on the camera. Too much beans? Cornbread's a little.
Yeah, but I have no problem. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like,
I don't want no.
Like in warehouses and stuff, it happens. That's why you just have to wash it off.
You late. Like I said, yeah, I'm talking
Listen, and I wipe mine off, and Chris don't even wipe his off, Pops. I have to force him to wipe it off. Chris would have been there a little bit. Come on, Chris. Come on, Pastor. Not the little one.
You got no money, baby.
Oh, Ashley got the shades on. Let me see. That's what I'm talking about. You're welcome.
You asked, we said no. I will get you bread pudding. Wait 1 second, okay?
Pops, they trying to block you already?
Yeah.
They trying to block you already. He's not the one. Okay. He's not the one. What you got? Okay. All right.
I counted them earlier.
You know what? Just give Pops all your food.
Look at Pops. And Chris said,
That's how you know I had some. My daddy asked what you got 15
Are you doing double this?
All right. This made me wonder a little bit. I was a little scared of this. I mean, people will willing to choose one.
what's she got to do?
You lost, dog.
I'm second place. No.
Brandon.
This one might get gas. She said the Batman.
They are.
Say hi.
Maybe they can sit outside.
I just told them no.
You can fix your own.
He said no worries. Good. Tomorrow.
Okay. I was like, Chris, I'm about to Uber eat something to church right now because I'm so. Show them how it's done.